You ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You want to go?
Yeah, I'm.
I'm gonna do this again tomorrow. That's bad. I'm gonna do this again tomorrow. So, you made a cocktail drinking video, and now you're drunk. Well, I am.
Are. Yeah.
You're not. You gotta drive home.
I do.
I drank most of the rest of the cocktails. So I'll tell you what you're gonna do to pick yourself up right now. It's breakfast time, baby. That's what we do after a night out on the town. We have a full English.
And we're going to be kicking it old school with, a full English.
Oh yeah!
A classic British. The thing that people know us for.
Man, I love frogs.
He wanted to talk about his shirt like the entirety of the last session, but he didn't have the right time to do it. So whilst we were prepping for this, he went, "I'm going to say something about my shirt," and it says MILF.
I can feel there's gonna be a bloopers video.
Perhaps.
Oh, no.
Anyway, should we get started on the fucking breakfast?
Okay, typical English breakfast. I hear you Americans saying, "What's that? What does that entail? Is it even breakfast? Because your puddings are two different things." I had that argument with a fucking American once. Anyway, she's not watching the video.
Wait, what argument? Puddings?
Puddings.
What about...
I had an argument about puddings. Okay, a full English breakfast. Oh.
Oh! Would you like me to do this?
No, I got it.
Okay.
Okay, a full English breakfast. I hear you Americans saying, "What's that? Is that even breakfast?" Yes, it is. It comes at the beginning of the day. It consists of what we're going to make. It can have other things in it. Bacon, eggs, sausages, beans, toast, and tea. If you go other places in the UK, they add other stuff like black pudding. Or
Like
sometimes
pudding, hash browns.
hash browns.
Yeah.
I didn't have any hash browns.
That's fair enough.
I didn't even have any potatoes, so we couldn't even make a hash.
But these are the kind of general core things of a...
If you go anywhere in the UK and you order a full English, you will get these things minimum.
Yeah, for sure.
That's what we're going to go with.
So, yeah, let's fucking go for it then.
You're in charge of eggs because you specifically requested eggs.
I take pride in my scrambled eggs. So
Have I had your eggs before?
I don't think so.
A first.
Yes.
Live. So I saved a nice utensil for this so that we could do lots of things all at once.
Okay.
Hold on. Oh shit, there's stuff on the bench.
I'm holding on.
Oh god. Oh, I've made a mistake.
Don't worry, I've got you, buddy. This seems to be working. Oh, we've got a big old fry.
I bought the big frying pan.
Hell yeah. That's cool.
We use it for everything in this house. I'm not even kidding. I used it to make spag bowl yesterday.
Big pan.
It goes on the big burner. So I thought we could do like sausages and bacon at the same time.
Yeah,
They're both pork products.
That's cool, yeah.
Oh god. I'm so drunk.
When you're making a full English, what is the first thing that you put on?
Sausages. It's the thing that cook the longest.
Cool, okay.
They take the longest to cook. So you put them on first. I got stories about this.
We'll start with sausages first, and then we'll put the bacon on. Whilst those two are both cooking, I'll start going for the eggs and the beans.
Oh yeah. Well, you want to do beans in a saucepan? Do it fancy?
Yeah.
Because normally we just do them in the microwave.
I mean, I'm happy with
Sausages.
either. I'll be honest. I have beans either way because I
same.
feel that they are the thing that change the least depending on how you cook them.
Because all you do is boil the sauce.
Yeah.
And it doesn't matter if you do that in the microwave or you do it on the hob. The sauce gets boiled either way.
I met someone once who had just beans straight out of the can, just cold. I think they were a felon.
Were they a serial killer?
Oh yeah, no, definitely.
fuck is wrong with that
Some
bloke?
sort of offender, I reckon.
Ugh.
Okay, so sausages first. Do you want to prep sausages and you know how your hob works, so.
Yeah. You want me to turn on the hob for you?
Yeah,
Oh,
go
we
on.
need oil. I'll tell you what, we'll oil out the pan.
Oil
We won't.
first, yes.
Do you want this kind of oil
Which is?
or this kind of oil?
You don't know what either of them
One
are.
of them is vegetable, one of them is olive. I don't know which one it is.
Spoilers, olives are vegetables, so it doesn't matter.
One of them is other vegetable. I'll kill you. I don't know.
But Josh, this just says oil.
I know. My mother knows which kind they are, and I was told once, and never again. And I do not know. Hold on, get out of my way.
Oh my god, amazing if you just called her and went, Mother!
Which one is sunflower? Which
But
one
Mother,
is vegetable?
which oil is the sunflower oil? I must know. I simply must know.
Help! I'm very drunk and I'm making breakfast for a show that I do with my friend.
This is the space station diner. It's something that we do.
Oh yeah, we never did that at the beginning of the episode.
By the way, don't watch the first one. It was called Cooking Corner. It involved Owen slapping Josh's ass over and over, and it just kind of being the joke.
And me looking weirdly pleasured.
Yeah.
The first time we did it, the first slap that didn't make it to air was me going,
Yeah.
why the fuck did you do that? Do it again. And then the one that made it to air was me going, oh.
Ooh.
I enjoyed it. And
You
I
did,
don't
huh?
enjoy it when you do it. Oil. You having fun?
I'm just working out ways that I might be able to talk at the same time.
I
Really?
think you're going to have to go one-handed.
Realistically.
You're going to want this.
Cool. Okay, fantastic.
Is that in shot? Yeah, it is. Oh, sorry, I didn't know your face.
You just kind of like put it there and like,
Woo! Would you like some oil?
yes, please.
Say when.
When
I'll put this away.
I enjoy a full English breakfast, however, I am on what some would call a low-fat diet.
I would like a heart attack.
That can be arranged.
That's it. I'm fat, and I'll eat whatever you put in front of me. Oh, I didn't turn it on, sorry. That's
that
the wrong
one.
one. Oh, good. Well, it's good we got a cut point in there.
Yeah.
So that I can not put that in the episode. Because I will not be editing this drunk. And I guarantee you, we can cut to future Josh right now, and it will be him sat there going, oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh god, I got the burps.
Don't worry, you'll be fine.
You alright?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what's happened in kind of an unwritten rule sort of way? We didn't talk about this. Owen is handling the hot stuff, which I think is a good idea. I might flip a piece of bacon, but apart from that, Owen is handling hot things. We didn't talk about this, and I'm just like, you know what? Fair enough. That's a good idea.
I'll be honest, I weighed up my options and I went Josh drunk or Owen with one hand. I'm gonna go with Owen with one hand.
Owen with one hand is exponentially safer than me pissed.
I usually operate with one hand, I'll be honest. So, anyway.
Oh! I feel like I shouldn't be using the knife. I'm concentrating real hard. Don't forget that you can subscribe to Sastroid. We're not Game Corner anymore. We're Sastroid. Thank you. If you would like.
Yeah, do it, it's free.
We do cool stuff. Also, we stream. Sometimes together. There he is. Twitch.tv/Emotad. He's even wearing his merch. Look at it.
It's right there.
Yeah, I'm not wearing my merch because I don't have merch because I'm poor. Owen, how's that meat coming?
It's getting there.
Good. I like to know that you're always half chub for me.
I am, mostly. What I'm actually going to do is, because some of this meat's going to be, like, because the pan isn't quite big enough to get all of the meat that we need to do done.
You can say that again.
I'm going to put some of it onto a plate and then go back through it again with the
Okay.
heat afterwards. So
That's
that we
cool.
can actually get everything through.
Yeah? Hey man, you can do my meat whichever the way you want.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, that's cheese I just ate with my raw hand. Don't fucking judge me. I have bagels.
I love bagels.
The cinnamon raisin kind.
Oh, hell yeah.
You want to toast these instead of bread?
to go with our breakfast.
It's breakfast flavored.
It's an English breakfast, not a New York breakfast.
You're right. I'll eat these later.
He is right.
Yeah.
Eggs are my favourite part because they're a very good source of protein. Now, Josh, which part of the egg do you think is the best part for the protein?
For the protein, I mean, the yolk has the most, like, for lack of a better phrase, chicken growth. So it must have the most protein, like amino acids, right?
You may think that, right?
Oh, yeah.
It's actually the egg white.
What, really?
Yeah, the egg white has the best protein, which is why generally you can buy cartons of egg white at stores, and it's what bodybuilders usually use to up their protein count. But
Hold on.
yeah, exactly.
Sorry.
However, you are right in saying that there is the most stuff in the egg yolk.
Because that's where the chicken grows, right?
Which is where all of the fat and all of the tasty stuff is. Hence why, when I make scrambled eggs, I always decant one of the egg whites from one of the eggs. Usually, and so for my scrambled egg, I would do 3 eggs. One, I would get rid of the egg white, and I would put the yolk in that, so that it makes it more yellowy, classically scrambled eggy, and tastier.
What's that called? The iPad audio, or I might just be able to narrate everything that you do.
Yeah, that's cool. I'll move this in. Fuck.
Oh no! Oh, you broke it! That was a clean break as well.
Yeah.
I love how every time we record this, we break something.
Yeah, sorry.
It's fine. On a full English, eggs can come in a variety of different ways. Primarily scrambled and fried, although I've seen a full English done with poached before. Deviled eggs? Now there's something I'd like to try. I've never tried a deviled egg, but I would like to. But we're going to do scrambled, which Owen will show on the other camera while I stand here and talk about scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs are real good. You get an egg and you like scramble up real good. Oh Lord! I'll eat that shit right up.
Also, you're making me realise how versatile eggs are.
Eggs are so versatile, man. You can fry them, you can scramble them, you can poach them, you can devil them, you can...
Stick them in the stew.
You can boil them. You can do whatever you want with an egg. Eggs are great emulsifiers. You put them in all kinds of stuff. I make a mean meringue. That's just egg white. Just all done all the way up. Like, till they're stiff peaks, and you stick them in the oven for like 15 minutes. You add some sugar as well. You add other stuff. But like, my meringues, top class. Very much like. Eggs. No, beans. These are beans. You want to see something sexy? Oh yeah. Oh God. Oh yes. All right, microwave. How long? 3.5 minutes? Okay. I don't know why I waddled across the kitchen like I'd shit myself. You put toast on? Oh my God, you fucking paragon of cool.
Yeah, I've started on the toast. What I need to do now is put the meat back on just to heat it back up. Now all I'm doing, literally, is we'll be stirring through on the sausages real quick. The eggs are done, for lack of a better term, because they just are. And we're starting to work our way through the toast, so hopefully, if I've timed this well, I think I've probably timed my eggs a little bit incorrectly, but it should be fine enough.
Oh, the beans are done. Ow. Beans! Beans! Oh, where did the beans? Oh, the plate went over there.
Yeah, sorry.
Beans! Would you like some beans? I'll give you my beans, darling. How do I display this without spilling it all over the place? That'll do. Look at that! That is the sexiest thing I've seen all night. And I made cocktails. This is the most I've done all episode. It's just pour beans. I hope you like this episode. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment telling us how much you liked it. Do you like my MILF shirt? Do you like Owen's just whole existence? You've been staring at his ass for most of the video. Is that nice? I don't know, let us know in the comments.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
You want a mimosa?
Yo.
Give me the vodka. I got some orange juice left over.
Oh! That's what that bang was. Hold on, I'm behind you with my cable. Hello. Our camera fell over.
Full English, baby.
Oh, look at that full English. Oh my god.
Literally just the way that I would make it.
Yeah, that is mouth-droolingly awesome. Thank you, Owen.
That's right, not a problem.
For, you know, I expressed my bartender skills in the last episode, and you expressed your
Breakfast making skills.
breakfast making, general householding, house husbandy skills.
I can't wait to be a house husband.
Oh, neither can I. It's my ultimate form. If I could be anything in life, I'd like to be a house husband. We won't get into that.
Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching this episode of the Space Station Diner. We will see you whenever the next time we do one of these.
Fuck it, who knows?
Anyway.
Maybe I'll be less drunk.
Perhaps. Anyway, peace.
Bye!
Bye.
Oh, wait, I missed.